My child, this video is gonna be a quick one, so hear me out. Imagine being ambushed in the dead of night with no warning, no chance to defend yourself. That's what it's like when law enforcement raids your home, even if you're innocent. Knowing your every move, your every weakness. They don't come alone, they bring an army of experts armed with the latest weaponry and tactics. It's a David versus Goliath battle, and you're the underdog. But that's not the only place where the odds are stacked against you. Wall Street is a jungle where the strong devour the weak. They don't care about fairness or justice. They care about one thing, winning. And they'll stop at nothing to get it, using every trick in the book, every advantage they can get. But here's the thing, you don't have to face this alone. You don't have to be the lone wolf fighting for survival in a world that's stacked against you. You can build a team, a coalition of allies who will stand by your side, who will fight for you, who will help you achieve your dreams. Think about it. When you're part of a team, you're not just one person, you're a force to be reckoned with. You're a movement, a revolution, a tidal wave of change. You're unstoppable. So who's on your team? Who's got your back? Who's willing to fight for you, to stand by your side no matter what? If you don't have an answer to that question, then you are already behind. You are already losing. But it's not too late. You can start building your team today. You can start reaching out to people, connecting with them, inspiring them to join your cause. You can start building a movement, a revolution, a tidal wave of change. So what are you waiting for? Start building your team today. Start fighting for your dreams. Start winning. Click here to watch more to get motivated for life. Wake up.